If you post to YouTube and you want to repurpose those YouTube videos into written content, then I've just the end-to-end automation for you. Essentially, all you have to do is open this chat model, open the chat box, post a YouTube URL, and it will then send a request to this YouTube transcript extractor, and then we'll feed it to an open AI model, and then that open AI model output will then be saved to a Google Doc. So let me unpin some of this data so we can run it from the beginning. So we've got this YouTube URL now. We send that. That makes an HTTP request to Apify to extract the transcript. This waits for a second to just allow that to finish. Then this extracts the transcript that has then been extracted, and then it is then passed an OpenAI model and then saved to a Google Doc. So you can see that so if we open this Google Doc, you can see that the thread has then been created here. So let me break this down properly. So we start with a chat trigger. Right, then the method of this HTTP request is post. I've got all the information I need from API endpoints here. So we just need to copy this to run the actor. So then I've pasted that URL in here, and then we need to send a body. So we get the JSON that needs to be sent here. I've just copied that in here, and all I've done is I've changed it so that the URL of the YouTube video to be extracted is a variable of the chat input. So whatever YouTube variable gets put into that chat input is then put into the JSON, so the right YouTube video is extracted. Then I've added this wait here. I've just made it 10 seconds just to allow that to happen. Then the information from that run has to then be got. You get the right URL to do that here, API endpoints, and it is this one here, the get the last run dataset item. So get the data of the last run of that API. So once again, I've just copied that in and set that to get, and then got all the information of the video here, and that's the full transcript. Next up, I've just fed that into an OpenAI message model. And I've just put your job is to turn the following transcript into a 300-word Twitter thread, and then I've just pulled the transcript in here. And then all I've had to do is connect to my Google Cloud, resource document, operation update, put in the URL of the Google Doc, and then I've just pulled JSON message content in here. And then we have on a Google Doc, go away, a Twitter thread that we can then post. And yeah, it's that easy. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you are a business owner and you want a automation built for you, then you can book a call with me on my Calendly below. Thank you very much.